Ladies, if you've been here for a little bit, you know how much I love carrying my crossbody bag. Now the brand has an even bigger bag that can double as a piece that you can carry on the plane, use it as a backpack for back to school, and more. Keep watching. I love this one. I had to get this one. So yes, it works perfectly for the back of my luggage, so I can just put it on just like this with the strap and carry it, and then this becomes my carry-on as well. Perfect, however, for back to school because you can actually carry this as a backpack. I love the size of it, the details, the zipper closures are so smooth, and you can keep a ton, and I mean a ton of stuff in here. Let me show you. So many different compartments. The straps are comfortable. You can even see that there's a zipper compartment on the back. So much storage, ladies, and it's just so chic. Here's what it looks like when it's styled as a backpack. You'll be seeing me and this backpack in Dallas this fall at the LTK conference as well. I was invited this year. You're gonna love the versatility of this. I'll have all the details on how to shop this and my outfit in the caption below.